Hello my little fairies, welcome back to another reaction video. So today we're gonna be reacting to 2024's newest horror film, In a Violent Nature. I am so excited for this movie because I've been hearing a lot of great reviews, how it has really gory, brilliant kills. That right there already hooked me. Okay, I know it's inspired by Friday the 13th, so seeing little nods here and there will be fun. Anyways, phrase that wasting precious time, let's get into 2024's In a Violent Nature. IFC Shudder. And the fact that this movie is set in the perspective of the killer is so good.
Hey Troy, you coming? Yeah.
What's with this locket? Why would you take shit that's not yours? Okay, that was your first mistake. He's alive! Alive! This is why you don't take shit that doesn't belong to you. Ooh, he looks rough. This is so cool. What is that? Is that a bear trap? Oh no. What's with the flies? I don't like that. Oh, they are so dead. How fucking annoying. Honestly, kill them. What are they fighting about? Oh, little do y'all know. God, why is this so good? He's so fucking messy.
This was your mother's, John. I want you to have it. That way it will always be with
His name is
you, no
John.
matter what happens. You'll always be our little boy, John.
He said, "Give me my shit back." Is that it?
I told you what would happen if you came back here. You're gonna make me fucking do this. You stupid son. What the fuck?
Oh! You stole his shit.
Get away!
Nobody's gonna help you. You live in the middle of nowhere. Oh shit. He got the bear trap. You can hardly see his face. Oh. Oh, this is gonna be brutal. This is gonna be brutal. What? So are we not gonna see what happened to him? Oh, that's not it. Number one motherfucker. Let's see your work of art. I want to see it. Oh god. A bunch of stupid horny teenagers. Check.
Hey, when you said behind my zippers, that mean the ring is on your dick? As in your dick is the size of Chris's finger?
Okay, why are we talking about his dick? Give us kills. So far it's a little slow.
Culture doesn't exist.
Johnny's dad was the guy that ran the stores, and it hated him. And they used to take out their anger on Johnny.
Johnny's in the bushes like, yep, that's me.
Drunk loggers tripped and broke his ankle on one of Johnny's toy cars. One of the men in a creepy old firefighter's mask waiting to scare him. Johnny fell from the tower. His neck snapped as soon as it hit the ground.
Oh my god.
And the man freaked out, so they put one of the firefighter masks on him to make it look like he was playing up there by himself, and tripped and fell. Huge fucking lumberjacks torn to pieces.
Yeah.
The donation from the company, they paid off the widows, closed closed up shop.
Johnny in the back be like,
One. Wait, let me just get one without.
that's fucking scary, bro. Oh. Let's go. Chop these bitches up.
Wow. Real nice choice.
He's getting all the tea.
Make sure you show them your really cool cassette player because they'll think you're from the future.
What?
Aaron's going to meet this gas station girl.
Oh, that was very Friday the 13th. Oh shit. Oh. Ooh, he's cutting through it. Oh shit. God, I love the 80s vibe. He's dragging his body. Is that the... Yeah, that's the top half of his head. I cannot with the dragging of the body. It's so funny. He said, we don't need a key. The mask. Oh my god. He's ready to kill. Oh. Oh, I love this shot. God, the homages are so good. They can't see him. That's fucking scary, bro.
I didn't say we didn't.
So what's all this then?
Oh.
If you want to make a move, make a move. Why don't you finally done your swim and maybe you can stretch me out a little more?
Oh. Is this the same place that they filmed Friday the 13th? It kind of looks like it. Damn. Now he's about to go stretch homegirl out. Oh, there she is. How do you not hear him?
I was wondering when you were finally going to show. Took your time, though.
Oh. Yeah, you're dead. Oh, shit. Die. Oh. 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 Oh shit. Ooh, that is gruesome. Oh. That was a good kill. That was a good kill. I don't know why it was so funny to me though. He dumped her body. Is it still tumbling? Yeah. Was that the scene that people went to go throw up? Because if so, y'all have weak stomachs. Oh, he looks like a zombie. I didn't know we were gonna see his face.
Okay, look. I'm sorry Colt's dead dad fucked him.
He found his axe.
But he doesn't get to kill Michael. Fucking we get to.
What the fuck did you just say?
I think he'll be doing that. He said, hey, that's mine. I think Johnny just wants a friend. Oh shit. Oh, what are you gonna do with that? Not a goddamn thing.
You okay?
Just give it a couple seconds. He got him. You're dead. Oh, he's gonna get the rock. Rock to the head.
Please help!
Oh! Smashed his head like a pumpkin. They're DEAD, girl. Do your thing, cuz. There it is.
What?
I think it's blood.
Chris, look out!
Oh!
Hurry!
Go, 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 go!
His aim kind of sucks. Oh, I love this shot.
Give it back.
You can't just give it back. He's awake now. He's awake.
He's here.
You remember me?
I hate to say it. I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is. I mean, he could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing. Sorry to this man.
I remember what you did 10 years ago.
He's like, nope. Doesn't ring a bell.
Now do it again!
He's gonna keep getting back up. No. Yeah, I would be too chicken to do it. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! You say you were gonna put him in the ground. What happened? Now he's putting you in the ground. Yeah. Is he ripping out his spine? Oh. Oh, he's paralyzed. Oh! Oh! Paralyzed, just waiting to die like that. And he can't even move. Oh my. Oh. I don't know why this is funny to me. Look at that. He's still alive. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Oh, it's cutting right through it. Well, Johnny, you had your fun. Damn. Wait, you're not gonna turn it off? Sir, don't waste power like that.
What are you waiting for?
Okay, Julie James. Bro, all he wants is his mother's locket. That's it. That's all he wants. So he can go back to sleep.
Come on, you ugly son of a bitch! We're right!
Oh! Damn. Are you our final girl? And why is she still there? Oh my god. Okay, okay. He's been dead, dude. He's still going at it? Yeah. Uh-huh. I would have been out. She said, nope, I ain't no final girl. Ah. She ain't gonna make it. Yeah, keep walking. Does she make it? Oh, wow, okay. So she actually makes it. What?
Just in case I have to answer some questions in the hospital.
This is weird.
Come on, wake
Oh,
up.
she bled out.
Sweetie, come on, wake up. I gotta do this first. You okay with that? Sweetie?
He's coming. What? What am I looking at? Hello? He took it. Oh, wow. Okay. And that, my little fairies, was In a Violent Nature. Okay. First off, I have to say, the directing is phenomenal. The way that they were able to give us a POV of the killer was so brilliant. At times, I found myself kind of dozing off because it was a little slow. It was just a little slow, but I really liked it. It was pretty good. That yoga kill was gnarly. I've never seen that before. That was actually pretty cool. That's one of my favorite kills. Like I said, there was a lot of slow parts, so this video will probably be really short. The characters were beyond annoying though. I'm glad they are dead. What I'm guessing at the end there was that the girl, she has to live with like trauma for the rest of her life. Is that what they're trying to hint at? Anyways, or phrase, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time with another reaction. Bye.